All right, mate. Near, very good trade. Well done. You bought, was the one hourly chart you showed me. I think you bought probably somewhere here. Very nice buy, nice float back. It pulled back. It took out the highs and then just pulled back into the pattern and lifted off. So very nice trade. It's up 10% at the moment. It was up more at one point. Now, on looking at it, it was a large bullish candle. We were green, and we were obviously in kind of the pump mode. And when the weekly candle is green, there's always that more chance of it being bullish and having more upside. And it was getting that rejection to the downside and pushed higher. So beautiful trade. You would have to think it's pretty much done for the week, but I would think that this is not done yet. Near looks like it's going to new all-time highs on a new week. Now let's look here. The 2 week chart, you can see here, this is a very big bullish candle. You have to think it's probably done now for the week, and it might even be done for the 2 week. It might need a new 2 week candle at this point. And that's 8 days away, because well, how big of a candle are we going to get? This is already one of the largest green candles that it's ever had. I know this was probably bigger at one point, but it did pull back. So, like on a new 2 week candle, I would probably suggest that this is going higher again, because the overall market might then be in bounce mode. So I'm not sure if you're just taking a quick trade and take your profits and run, or are you trying to hold it for a longer term or whatever. Definitely have to be open to some pullback. There's a pretty large candle, and you can see after every large candle here, like this, there's a dip back. Even this one, there's a dip back. Obviously, this one's a dip back as well. So you have to be prepared that there will be some dip back at some point. So you may not want to give back them profits. But overall, very nice trade, and yeah, very well done.